Welcome to today's SeafoodNews.com video, sponsored by the Alaska Seafood Marketing Institute.
U.S. frozen king crab imports declined in November 2012, but year-to-date levels remain significantly higher, which has contributed to a downward trend in the market. According to the U.S. Department of Commerce, the U.S. imported 1.5 million pounds of frozen king crab in November 2012, nearly 37% below the 2.4 million pounds of imports reported the same month a year ago, for a difference of 900,000 pounds. The decrease was led by a shortfall in Russian imports, the U.S.'s top frozen king crab supplier. In November, U.S. imports from Russia were down nearly 49% at 1.3 million pounds, compared to the 2.3 million pounds the country exported to the U.S. in November 2011. However, Russia's year-to-date frozen king crab imports are up 16% compared to the same time a year ago at 16 million pounds. Consequently, total year-to-date frozen king crab imports to the U.S. are about 25% above year-ago levels. Through November 2012, the U.S. has imported 18.7 million pounds of frozen king crab compared to the 15 million pound year-to-date figure through November 2011, nearly 4 million pounds more crab year over year. Meanwhile, this increase in frozen king crab product in the U.S. has correlated with a downward trend in the average market price of red and golden mid-sized king crab prices, in what has been described by industry sources as a fair market. For example, according to Urnerberry's average monthly quotations for a 12 to 14 count red king crab legs and claws, prices are down 26% compared to year-ago levels from $20.87 per pound in January 2012 to $15.45 per pound in January 2013. Similarly, Urnerberry's average monthly quotation for 12 to 14 count golden king crab legs and claws is down 21% from $16.12 per pound in January 2012 to $12.67 per pound in January 2013. In fact, both golden and red king crab prices are at their lowest levels since October and November 2010, respectively. For complete analysis of the U.S. imported crab market, be sure to check out the January 2013 edition of Urnerberry's Seafood Insiders Report due out this month by accessing the Seafood tab in Comtel by clicking World Trade.
Today's SeafoodNews.com video was brought to you by the Alaska Seafood Marketing Institute. Alaska has been protecting wild and sustainable seafood for generations and adheres to the most recognized and internationally accepted set of guidelines written by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization. For recipes and additional information, visit wildalaskaflavor.com.